Quality control. GM 28 years inspecting Silverados at the factory. You know how many times he saw a 2011 Silverado come back with a serious repair? 0 times. And a 2018? Over 400 times. Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you the 5 years that in almost 3 decades never had a major problem. And number 1 is so reliable that GM itself used it as a quality benchmark. If you want to know exactly which Silverados never came back to the shop with serious problems, subscribe now. And if you have one of these 5 years, comment 0 defects with the year. Let's go. Number 5. Silverado 2008. The inspector told me 2008 was the consolidation year of the GMT 900. Why? Because 2008 was the second full year of this generation. The 2007 problems were fixed, but it was still before any cost cutting. He showed me the internal data. Of the 2008 Silverados that came off the assembly line, only 1.8% came back with a major defect under warranty. It's statistically one of the most perfect, he told me. Traditional V8 engine, tested transmission, robust suspension, everything worked as it should. Price today, $13,000 to $22,000 for a truck with almost 0 defect rate. Number 4. Silverado 2003. The inspector has a picture of it in his office. He said this one was built when GM still didn't have cost pressure. 2003 is the peak of the GMT 800, parts stronger than necessary, over-engineering in every component. The data shows 2003 had only a 1.4% warranty return rate for serious defects. A customer brought in a 2003 with 380,000 miles, original engine, original transmission, just preventative maintenance. Price, $8,000 to $15,000, but you're buying engineering without compromise. If this is making sense, leave a like now, and stay because the top 3 is where the numbers get even more impressive. Number 3. Silverado 2019. 2019 was the last year before chaos, the inspector told me. The pandemic started in 2020, and with it came alternative suppliers, cheaper parts, compromised quality control. 2019 was built to the normal standard, with reliable suppliers. The internal data shows 2019 had a 1.2% major defect rate, while 2020 had 4.7%, 4 times more. The quality difference is visible, he explained. Same platform, different suppliers. Price, $32,000 to $44,000, but it's the last year of the old standard. Number 2. Silverado 2014. If I could choose one Silverado for my family, it would be 2014, he told me without hesitation. Why? Last year of the GMT 900, 11 years of accumulated refinement. The numbers speak. 2014 had only a 0.9% return rate for serious defects, less than 1%. He explained it's statistically perfect. Everything that could be improved was improved. And there's another detail. 2014 shares parts with 2007 to 2013, easy to find, cheap to fix. Price, $19,000 to $29,000, but it's buy and forget for years. Number 1. Silverado 2011. And when he told me this, I asked, why not 2014? He explained, because 2011 had the lowest defect rate I've ever seen, 0.6, 6 out of every 1,000. 2011 was the 5th year of the GMT 900. All problems solved, but there were still 3 years until the end, so quality control was at its peak. He told me GM used 2011 as an internal benchmark. When we test new models, we compare them to the 2011 standard. He showed me, of the 1,247 Silverados from 2011 that he inspected at the factory, only 7 came back with a major defect within 5 years of warranty. 7 out of 1,247. He summarized, it's the gold standard. Price, $17,000 to $26,000, but you're buying GM's own quality benchmark. Recapping the 5 that never came back. 2008, perfect consolidation. 2003, GMT 800 golden era. 2019, last pre-pandemic. 2014, 11 years of refinement. 2011, GM gold standard. Now tell me, do you have one of these 5 years? Comment 0 defects with the year. And if you're thinking about buying a Silverado, now you know. These are the ones that never came back to the shop with serious problems. Like if this helped you choose, and today at 8 p.m., the worst years that every mechanic avoids. Thanks, and see you next time.